Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Friends, today I will be telling you 3 tips of growing huge amount of flowers, blooms in petunia. These are the petunia plants you can see, and there were Java cyclone in our area. You have to cover it, and sometimes the plants are totally doomed. So how you can revive the plants? This is the plants, how I revive these plants and how you got the flowers here. So 3 tips I am sharing you. First, if your plants are totally doomed here and the blooms are not coming and the plants are totally in the demise conditions, so what you can do? So first thing I tell you that if there is first time they're blooming, so if you want lots of flower, so what first thing you have to do, some pinch of the flower portions. First 2 or 3 times we won't take any flowers from here, so that will allow lots of branching from the plants. If you first remove the flowers from here, there will be lots of new branches, and new branches means new flowers, lots of flowers. So first we will remove the flowers, first time flowers. So you have to do it 2 times. First times we are removing, and again we will remove the flowers. So this is the 2 times we will remove flowers, and there will be new branches will come out, and there will, you can see hundreds of flowers from there. So this is the first tip. And second tip I tell you, if there is not plants is not growing properly, so what thing you can apply? This is the super phosphate. This is the chemical fertilizer. This is very cheap. And how you can apply this? You have to apply once only. So I am showing you how to apply it. Just till the land here and apply this 2 teaspoonful of super phosphate, and then spray water on it, and you have to do only once only. So this is the technique how to grow, how to get the vigors of the plant. And if your plants are growing properly but there is not blooming at all, so what you can use, this is Super Sonata, this is a PGR, this is black color PGR. You have to apply 2 ml per liter. This is the liquid, 2 ml per liter. If you spray it once in a month, if you spray it once in a month and totally spray it on the plants, you will see there will be lots of branches and lots of buds here and huge blooming. And you can apply in any other flower plants also. You can apply this PGR. This controls also mites and insects also. So this is the beautiful thing you can apply. And the third thing I tell you, you can apply the food is, this is the mustard cake liquid fertilizer and mixed with some of the DAP. So you have to soak it for 4 days, fermented it for 4 days. You see, this is a fermentator 4 days and mixed with some DAP, and just take it little bit and mix water with it, make it very diluted, and apply it once in a week or once in 10 days. And I show you how to apply it. Just keep aside the plant here portion and apply it on this soil. Don't apply on the leaves portion. If you apply on the leaves portion, then what will happen? There will be fungal attack. And the final thing is, you see, this is the plant, they are not blooming at all, and the main reason is there is the extra vigor in the plant. What you have to do, you have to remove the bigger leaves, big size leaves you have to remove, and especially in the lower portion. You see, this is the, you have to remove the lower portion leaves. What will happen? All the nutrition will go to the top portion and budding will occur, and what will happen? The fungal infection not will occur here. So this is the thing you have to do, and you will see after a couple of days new branches will come out and new shoots will come out and new buds will come out. So this is the technique how you have to apply. And this is the flat pot you see, around 6 inch deep and 10 inch diameter. This kinds of flat pot is best for this petunia. If you apply these kinds of tips for petunia, you will get hundreds of flowers in petunia at all. So this is all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.